Good morning, students. All are well? Okay. Now, student, yesterday we have discussed the topic reproduction in plants, and we have discussed only one way, reproduction through seeds. Now, my dear students, continue the topic reproduction in plants. Reproduction by different parts of the plant. Is it possible to grow some plants without seed? Yes, it is possible, because by using the different parts of the plant. Now, what are these different parts? Different parts from the underground stem, by stem cutting, from roots, from leaves of a plant. A new plant reproduces by all these parts of the plants. How? We will explain. Reproduction, in which a new baby plant arises from some part of a plant without the involvement of seed. This is called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative means using the part of a plant to grow a new plant. What are the advantage and what is the importance of this vegetative reproduction? Yes, my dear students, first of all, it is an easier and faster method of increasing the number of the same plants. Like you have grow the some plants on the one time, so you cut the different parts of the plant and soil into it, so it is the easier and faster method. Now, second advantage is it also help to grow plant which bear no seeds. Means this method is help to growing those plants which have no seeds, like banana. Banana plant has no seeds, but we can grow it by the vegetative reproduction. Now, first of all, we have let us now the study how the different part of a plant are involved in the process of vegetative reproduction. First one, we have discussed reproduction through underground stem. Underground stem means that is under the soil. Means a part of the stem present underground grow and develop roots, shoots to make a new plants. My dear students, you or everyone you have seen the potato, and on the potato there are the some eye type structure present on the potato plant. When this potato get the favorable condition, sometime you observe that there are the green in these eyes, there are the small green bud is formed. Yes, these eyes, these buds arises into the roots. Now, another is you have seen the ginger, same as ginger plant. Ginger there are the different types of node. Node one here the one part is the node, and when they are connecting to each other, the different one is internode, and get favorable condition and growing the new plant, that is the ginger. Now, our next is reproduction by stem cutting. Means we have grow a new plant by the cutting of a stem. You have seen in our school campus there are many different types of the roses, and these roses are red, pink, white, yellow, orange, and our gardener produce all these by the method of the stem cutting. How? Gardener cut the stem of the rose and put into the soil and get the favorable conditions, and these plants are grown. You have you also see the sugarcane. There are sugarcane, there are the many different types of the pores, and these are the some roots are arising, and when the farmer cut all these not from the node or internode, cut into the between the parts means, and these nodes are when put into the soil get the favorable condition, and one node grows so many plants of the sugarcane. Yes, you observe correctly. It is the bougainvillea flower. As a sometime we have seen everywhere. You also seen this, and this plant is also grow by the stem cutting. In this picture, cut the stem and put into the soil, and our new plants is germinate. Our next is reproduction through roots. When the fleshy roots of the some plants like dahlia and sweet potato are placed into the water, very many roots appear at the lower end and the shoots appear at the upper ends. In sweet potato, a new plant arises from its root itself, and another one is the dahlia. Now, reproduction through leaf. New young plant arise from the notches of the leaves where small buds are present. You also seen this plant, that is the bryophyllum. Bryophyllum, the small buds get detect from the leaf and develop into a new plants. In bryophyllum plants, there are the some notches, and there in notches there are the some roots are arises, and these roots there are the after that plants are growing. So many bryophyllum and new plants are arises from this leaf, because the small buds can detect from the leaf and develop into new plants. So we can say that students, the different parts of the plant reproduce either through the seeds or from some other parts of the plants. We can grow the different plants. Why? Because to maintain the number and raise through an appropriate method of this reproduction. Now, you also at your home you also see the some plants and try to grow by these plant into these different reproductive vegetative reproduction method. Thank you so much students. Tomorrow we will meet again.